Hey guys, how's it going? How to vote without an ID, right? Verify your state's ID requirements and what alternatives are allowed. Some states may not require ID, while others may accept alternatives, right? And if ID is needed, be prepared to provide alternate forms of verification like utility bill or bank statement with your name and address. In some states, you could sign an affidavit confirming your identity if you don't have an ID. And if ID is required and you don't have it, uh, ask for a provisional ballot, which allows you to vote and confirm your identity later. If possible, consider voting early or using an absentee ballot, as some states have different requirements for these methods. And always check your local election office for specific guidance related to your state. So let's know in the comments of this video. Hope you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for